Hello friends, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So friends, today we are going to create this 3D modeling in Solidworks. So first we just create 2D sketch. Now later we will create and convert into 3D. So in this video I will tell you many commands like extruded boss base, fillet chamfer, extruded cut and many more. So look how we do this. So first we see the drawing. First we create three circle. First diameter 92, second one 76 and third one 60. Okay, so let's start the drawing. So go to the file, select new, select part. Okay, now here we change the background to plain white. Here we will select top plane, right click, sketch normal, and here we create circle. So we will keep three circle. Okay, now exit this sketch. So here first circle we will keep it 92, second one 76. So go to the smart dimension, select this circle, make it 96, select this one, make it 76, 96 not, sorry, we will keep 92. Here we will keep it 60 diameter. So here we convert this circle to convert entity. Okay, now here we create one horizontal and vertical line. Make sure it is vertical. Okay, now again select this center line and just we create one more center line, and here we will create circle, two circle. First one diameter 14, second one 28. So we go to the circle. First we create circle here. Go to the smart dimension, select this one and make it 9 diameter. Okay, now here we go to the pattern, select entities. We will select this circle, and entity to pattern we will select circle. Here we will keep 8 numbers of circle. Okay, so here we create two more circle. So we will keep it like this one, and again we will make it dimension. So first we normally create it. So here we will check this diameter 14 diameter and 28 diameter, second one. Okay, and we will keep the gap from center line 32 and height we will keep 65 mm. So here we just create it. So go to the smart dimension, select this one, make it 28 diameter. Okay, now select this circle, make it 14 diameter. So here we keep the gap 32. So go to the smart dimension, select this point, this one, make this height 65 mm. Okay, now select this line, this center point we will keep it 32 mm. Okay, so here we create one line, make sure it is tangent to this circle. Okay, now here it's time to create one 3-point arc. Go to the smart dimension, select this one, make it 14 radius. Okay, and here we will make the relation tangent to this circle to this arc. So we will select this one, press with shift key and select this arc, make the relation tangent. So it will make it tangent. Select this one also, and this big circle, make it also relation tangent. Okay, so here it's time to create a mirror to this sketch. So go to the mirror command. First we create one also line. Okay, go to mirror, select this one, mirror about this center line. So here we will keep this direction, opposite direction. So select mirror and mirror about this center vertical line. So select this one. So look, here we will keep it. Now it's time to remove this one, so select and delete. Okay, now select this line, delete it. Okay, now here it's time to make the line from this point to this one. Okay, now we see this. Okay, fine. Now select this line and make the line up to here. Now exit this sketch. So here make the relation tangent, also keep it tangent. Okay, fine. Now exit this sketch. So here we just make it extruded boss base. So go to the feature. So look how we create 2D sketch. Now it is time to make the convert into 3D. So go to the extrude boss base, select sketch. Here we will select the portion where we will keep the extruded. So select this and select mid plane. We will keep 20 mm, this one. Okay, now again go to the extruded boss base. Here it will select this sketch, select this one. Here we will keep it 10 mm, make it merge result. So again it's time to make the extruded. So go to here, select this sketch and select the region, portion where we will keep. So here we will make the condition mid plane and make it not we will make extrude, we will keep it 20 mm extruded, not 10 mm. So make it 20 and make it merge. Okay, so look how we create the 2D sketch into 3D. So later we will make the fillet. So we go to the fillet command. Here we will keep fillet 2 radius. Select this edge, this one, and now we select this one and this one. So here we will apply the 2 radius fillet. Okay, so again go to the fillet. Here we select this face, make it 1 radius. Okay, now again we go to the fillet command. Here we will keep it 1 mm. Select this face, this face, this one, this face, this one, and select this one. Okay, so here look how we apply the fillet to this part body. So here it's time to make the chamfer. So we will keep 1 mm at 45 degree. So first we create 0.5 to this smaller bolting portion. So we will keep it 0.5 mm at 45 degree. So we select this face, so it will be selected both sides. So it takes time very less to selection. So look, so again go to the chamfer. We will keep it 1 mm at 45 degrees. Select this one and select this face, so it will selected both side edges. Okay, so here we apply the color. To go to the part, select body and now click it. So here we will keep our desired color. So guys, look